People are using one tool to earn online right now. And if you are not taking advantage of that tool, you are leaving money on the table. Hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Angela, and this is my YouTube channel, Grow with Angie for Love. So, without wasting time, let me tell you that tool that people are using to earn online today. Can you guess? AI. Yes, you heard it right. AI. Yes. You see, AI is not just for tech gurus. It's not for only tech people. In fact, this is for you and I. Do you get? Now for me and you, all of us, both tech guru or people who know sabi tech, all of us, now we get waiting AI. So, like I said earlier, if you are not taking advantage of this AI tool, you are leaving money on the table. Now, let us dive into these AI tools one after the other. I think I have about three AI tools that I want to share with you today. So quickly, without wasting time, the number one of them, the Oga Pata Pata one of them, can you guess? ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT. Yes, so you can use this ChatGPT for AI writing and for ideas. Gone are those days where you have to start, racking your head and all of that. AI is there. ChatGPT is there to help you. Okay, it is there to help you. Feed it with your prompts, and then it's just like give and take, and then you refine it with your human touch, right? Okay, so like I said, ChatGPT, AI writing and ideas. So you can use it to explain what ChatGPT is. You can show beginner-friendly use cases. You can also use ChatGPT for writing your social media captions. Okay. You can also use it for drafting CVs or covers. Okay, cover letters for clients. You can use it to create blog posts or even YouTube scripts, right? And you can also use it to offer freelance writing. And if you're a small business owner, you can use ChatGPT to write a social media post. Okay, yeah. So you can even offer this service in platforms like freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, okay, and even to local businesses who struggle to create content. You can really help them using ChatGPT. For example, a small cafe owner may not know how to post consistently on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, any of the social media platforms. So you, as that person who can use ChatGPT AI, you are then going to use ChatGPT to create like 30 days of content ideas for this small business owners, and they will happily pay you for that. Yes, they will. Number 2 AI tool that you can use is Canva. What did I say? Canva. Yes, Canva. This is an AI design tool. Yeah, you can use it to create simple graphic designs for yourself as a business owner, and even for others who don't have the time. Okay, yeah. So there are a lot of features for this AI. For this Canva designs. We have like text to image. You can just put the text and then it will convert it to image for you. You can use the what's it called? You can even design YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Okay, you can make digital products like ebooks, planners, and the rest of them. And you can even offer this service, to others as well. For example, someone selling hair products online needs flyers and ads. So you can design that in minutes using Canva AI, even if you've never designed before. Even if you be JJC, you can use Canva AI to create your own design, your flyers. Okay, then number 3, okay, yes, before I forget, you can also create templates. Yes, you can create design templates on this Canva, and then you sell the templates to others. Yes, that's a way that you can also earn. So the number 3 AI design that you can use is in video. Yes, just like the name says, in video. It is AI video creation. Okay, so you can explain how these tools turn text into video. It's also a beginner friendly tool as well, so you don't need to even show your face. You can turn blog posts or articles into engaging videos using this AI in video creation tool. You can also start a faceless YouTube channel and even monetize with ads. You can create promo videos for businesses using this in video AI video creation tool. So for example, imagine someone wants to promote their salon. They now send you their services list. You can copy and paste them into this Pictory or this in-video app, and boom, you have a professional video ad. Yeah, easy peasy. Okay, so remember the 3 AI tools that I mentioned: ChatGPT, Canva AI, and then in video or Pictory. Okay, so in conclusion, there are so many AI tools out there. This is just 3 that I just mentioned for you, so you can start using this 3 to earn online today. And trust me, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. So if this video was helpful, drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're excited to try first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to learn online, who wants to earn online too. Yeah, that's it. So see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.
I love you, keep showing up.